Hello everyone. So on today's video, it's a look, a makeup tutorial. Let's get back to doing makeup, because it's been a crazy past 2 weeks. So I created this very pastel look. It has no cut crease, yay, not a halo eye. So I hope that you guys enjoy it and we'll get right into it. Hello everyone, welcome to my drama-free channel. Alright, so on today's video, someone had recently asked me or had commented on one of my videos if I can create a look that doesn't have to do with a half cut crease. And because they have hooded eyes, I don't necessarily have hooded eyes, but I was like, okay, I'll do it because obviously there's a wide range of people that have hooded eyes and I want to make sure that you guys are catered to as well. So I thought I would do something more like blendy, you know what I'm saying? Something that doesn't have any precision. So I will be doing a very pastel-y look and I'm using this palette right here. It has like a lot of pastels in it. It's by Strobe Cosmetics and it's the Creepy Cute palette. So you guys already know I like to prime my eye with the Plouise base. Okay, I just put a piece of old tape. I couldn't find my other, I can't find my tape for some reason, so I just picked up one that's on my desk. So I just put it right here and I'm gonna take this color called Take a Hint and I'm gonna shove it right here. These pastel shades or shadows are very pretty and very pigmented, so I really do like them. They are a little dusty. You guys know how I feel about dusty shadows, but it's okay. I mean, as long as it's pigmented and it works and it's blendable, then I guess we're solid, right? Put it right here. And I'm using a Makeup Shack T33 brush. You guys already know you guys can use my code Rocio in all caps to get you some dinero off. That's money, by the way, in Spanish. Then I'm gonna go in with the color called Creep It Rio. That's cute. And I wasn't gonna film and I haven't been filming. It's been like a good week. I try to be consistent and at least upload twice a week, but again, my acne just gets out of control and it stops me from filming. Like, you guys already know the deal. It's really annoying and very repetitive, but I was like, you know what, I need to film something. And plus, like, the industry has been just wild, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like we just need to get back to doing some makeup, you know? I was like, I'm putting makeup on today. I'm filming for sure. And the brush that I'm using is a Makeup Shack T67. I know you guys like to drag me in the comments because I never mention the brushes. Now I'm gonna take this shadow called Cold Shoulder. I love pastel blues. They're one of my favorite shadows or colors. I just think they're so pretty. I love pastel shades overall. I'm glad they have one because, like, you know, the whole Kat Von D thing. The pastel goth palette, I was like, I don't know if I could continue to use this. I'm glad that Strobe Cosmetics has one. And what I like to do, I like to pack on my shadow. So I'll pick up the shade and I'll pack on the shadow like this, and then I'll just blend it out slightly. That way you get a lot of color payoff. And then you want to pick up the other brush that you were using and just blend these two together, sorry. That way it could create a nice gradient and it doesn't look like a line, you know? And then I'm gonna pick up this pastel purple, and you know what, I don't know how to say it, and let me just say something really quick. People try to come for me because there's certain words that I can't say. And I do try to say them. But because, like, Spanish was my first language, so I get, like, very mixed up with both English and Spanish. So yeah, sometimes I don't speak perfect English, and people, like, I feel like people try to attack me because of that, and I'm like, bro, just chill, you know what I'm saying? So just take note of that. Like, a lot of people like myself, their first language wasn't English, so it is kind of like not irritating, but I'm like, can you just not do that to me? You know what I'm saying? Like, just chill. I switch brushes and I'm going to pat this one in like this, wing it out a little bit, just a little bit, and then blend it in with the pastel blue, like so. Like, for example, my mom, like, she understands English, but she won't speak it anymore because people thought it was cute to make fun of her. If you do know people that just speak broken English, like, you don't make fun of them. Like, that's just, like, rude. Like, people want you to learn English, but then when you do learn it, people have a problem with how you speak it. So I'm just like, make up your mind, you know? And then go back in with that blue and then just blend it in. Now I'm gonna add the shadows that I used on here on my waterline. And a lot of you guys have asked me, like, why don't I put anything down like a white base? I don't know, like, I just never do like usually my shadows stick to my waterline, so that's why I've never put like a white base or anything. But if you are the type that has like watery eyes or something like that, then I guess you can use a white base, but I never use one. I don't know, I don't ever follow the rules of the makeup game. I don't even think there's rules to makeup, so just do whatever you want, you know. Just place them like that, and then make sure you blend them together. And again, my eyes are not sensitive, so when eyeshadow goes into my eye, like they're just not sensitive. Like it's okay, you know, for my eyes. All right, you guys, I already put my inner corner star. They are star stickers that I get from Hobby Lobby. It's a arts and crafts store. I will leave the link down below. I'm just gonna grab a white shadow and just pack it on like this. I pack on a lot because when I photograph it, I want it to like pop. And then I blend it out just a little bit so it won't look so harsh. Oh, and the white shadow I'm using is from Tako. It's from Sugarpill and it's called Tako. And then I just take it off with tweezers, and that's leaves me with a little star. Alright, you guys, so the lashes that I am wearing are the Makeup Shack in the style Dubai. I'm just placing them with some tweezers, and then I push the corner down, and then I push the inner corner down as well. Try to just adjust them, and then I like to go in with my fingers and do it as well because they like to pop up. So just grab some mascara and then run it through so you could blend your lashes. Alright, loves, so that pretty much concludes this video. I hope it was like simple. I do want to give you guys more simple looks, especially for those that don't have a lot of lid space. I think creating like more smokier eye looks benefits you guys. Make sure that you check the link description down below because I will be putting down everything. The link description. Make sure you check the description down below for everything that I use, including the brushes, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.